The Khasi Students' Union KSU has urged legislators from both the ruling and opposition parties to unite in their demand for reforming the Meghalaya Public Service Commission (Mpsc) ahead of the autumn assembly session starting today. The KSU has submitted a memorandum outlining 20 reformative steps to revamp the commission to various political party leaders. Ruben Najjar, chairman of the KSU Employment Monitoring Cell, emphasized the need for a collective voice among the 59 MLAs to press the state government for Mpsc reforms.
Borok political parties abadi bat kini mancing dawa ba ka kisuri kala abu kumu bantu kala bat manra ya kata tukang tunjang ko na kalian kaseng ni borok ni santai ki amri namar bagi gua ba ya kani kamat bagi keren bahwa session kaban stand dulu saya kesini nomor ba kani mat kata